Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hero Beach Club. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Montauk beachfront property is 10 minutes drive to the Montauk Point Lighthouse and is less than 1 miles from Montauk Town Center. Hero Beach Club offers free Wi-Fi throughout the property. There is an outdoor swimming pool and daily cleaning service for the rooms. In-room massage services can be arranged by the front desk. Each room has cable TV and a private entrance. Some of the rooms have a balcony or deck that offers a view of the ocean. Hero Beach Club is located 3 miles from Ditch Plains Surfing Beach. Fort Pond is less than 1 mile from the property and offers fishing. Fishing is also available at the Fort Pond Harbor, which is only 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.